That dream home you are about to buy in the GTA might be hiding a $40,000 problem, and you'll never see it until it's too late. If you're house hunting in the GTA, you've seen the explosion of listings. With nearly 30,000 homes in the market, it feels like a buyer's paradise after years of bidding wars. But this feeling of having the upper hand is a dangerous illusion. Sellers are getting desperate in this slow market, and many are hiding expensive problems that can cost you a fortune. Remember, in Ontario, the rule is caveat emptor. Let the buyer beware. The duty to find those hidden flaws is entirely yours. As a GTA real estate analyst, I see buyers fall into these traps every week, seduced by staging and small price cut, only to face a financial nightmare. Today, I'm exposing the 3 biggest secrets sellers are hiding right now, and I'll show you why skipping a home inspection could be the worst financial mistake you ever make. So what's fueling this? Trust's latest numbers show active listings have surged by 15 to 19% year over year, creating a clear buyer's market. With the average GTA home price down 4.7% to about 1.06 million and homes sitting for an average of 51 days, sellers are feeling the pressure. This desperation is where the risk for you comes in. Many sellers can't afford or simply don't want to fix a leaky basement or an ancient electrical panel. Instead, they opt for a quick fix, a fresh coat of paint or some cheap flooring, hoping you'll be dazzled by the surface and ignore what's beneath. This is the trap. Legally, sellers only have to disclose known latent defects that render a home unsafe or unlivable. But proving they knew about a slow leak or faulty wiring is a legal nightmare you want no part of. All this choice on the market means you are navigating a minefield of hidden problems. So, what should you really be looking for? Here are 3 major categories of expensive secrets. Secret number 1, the cosmetic cover-up. This is the oldest trick in the book. Think of a freshly painted basement hiding water stains and the musty smell of mold, or new carpet laid over a cracked foundation. These aren't minor issues. Water and foundation problems are amongst the most expensive repairs. A small crack could signal a structural failure costing over $50,000 to fix, while mold poses serious health risks and require professional remediation. Sellers use a can of paint as a cheap magic wand, betting you'll fall for the look during a quick showing. Your home inspector is your defense. They are trained to spot the subtle clues: a single freshly painted wall, a slide bow in the foundation, a damp smell no air freshener can hide. The very things sellers pray you won't notice. Secret number 2, the unpermitted renovation. That stunning open concept kitchen or brand new basement suite could be a trap. Many owners cut corners to boost value, skipping city permits for major work. This is a huge red flag. Unpermitted work can hide fire hazards from shoddy electrical or flood risk from improper plumbing. A removed wall without a structural assessment could compromise the entire house. The worst part? If the city discovers unpermitted work after you buy, you are on the hook. They can force you to bring it all up to code, or in a nightmare scenario, order you to tear it all out. Your inspector and lawyer are crucial here. They can check the city's permit history to determine if that income suite is a legal asset or a potential fire hazard. By the way, if you are finding this information helpful and it's opening your eyes to the real risks out there, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps other buyers in the GTA find this video so they can protect themselves too. Secret number 3, the as-is money pit. This one is subtle. You see an older home marketed as a renovator's dream or sold as is, the price looks right, and you are planning a full gut anyway. So you think, why inspect it? I'm just going to tear it down. This is a catastrophic mistake. As is only means the seller won't do repairs. It doesn't absolve them from liability for known safety issues. Your inspection is the only way to learn what you're really buying. For a gut job, The inspection focuses on the bones. Is the foundation crumbling? Is the frame riddled with termites? Are there hazardous materials like asbestos or lead pipes that require specialized, expensive removal? These are budget-destroying problems you can see on a walkthrough. An inspection on as-is home isn't about deciding if you should buy it. It's about understanding the true cost of the project so your reno dream doesn't bankrupt you. So, how do you protect yourself? The answer is simple and non negotiable. Get a professional home inspection. In this market, it isn't an option, it's your most critical line of defense. Modern inspectors use technology like thermal cameras to see moisture behind walls and moisture meters to detect dampness. They are assessing everything from faulty wiring and foundation cracks to the remaining lifespan of your roof and HVAC system. Think of the report not as a pass or fail grade, but as an owner's manual for your home. It identifies immediate fixes and outlines future costs, like a 20-year-old furnace that will need replacing soon. This report is both your shield and your sword. It's your shield protecting you from a money pit. A $500 inspection in the GTA can easily save you from a $40,000 repair bill. And it's your sword for negotiation. In this buyer's market, finding a major issue gives you the power to demand a price reduction or have the seller perform repairs. Waiving an inspection is like giving your opponent your best weapon before a fight even starts. This surge of homes for sale in the GTA is an opportunity, but it's a tricky one. The trap is assuming more choice means more safety. The reality is you're sifting through more homes with more hidden problems from desperate sellers. Cosmetic cover-ups, illegal renovations, and as-is money pits are everywhere. The only way to buy with confidence is to be armed with information. Never let an agent, seller, or even your own excitement pressure you into skipping a home inspection. For a few $100s, you are buying a shield against financial disaster and gaining critical peace of mind. Don't let your dream home become a nightmare. Be smart, be thorough, and get that inspection. If you're buying in the GTA and want an expert on your side to help you avoid these traps, book a free, no obligation strategy call with me using the link in the description. I'll help you navigate the process and ensure you're protected. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.